Welcome to my YouTube channel Online World. If you are searching for a real earning website, then you are at the right place. Today, I am going to show you a real earning website, from where you can earn money by completing simple tasks. For more such videos related, online earning, technologies, technical solutions, video editing and free online courses, stay connected with me and subscribe my channel. Today, I will show you how you can earn money by sharing your views on the website. We will learn this process step by step. So don't skip any part of this video. If you watch complete video, surely you will be able to earn money from this website. If you miss any part of this video, you will lose some steps due to which you will unable to create your account on this website. Without wasting time, we go to the PC screen. We are on the PC screen. Now, you have to open your browser. I have Google Chrome. I will open my Google Chrome. Double-click on the Google Chrome. Here you will see the interface, such like this. Now, you will have to write the name of website in the search bar. Now, you will have click on this website. Such type of interface will be shown to you. Here, you can see. This website is being operated from United States of America. Before sign in or creating an account on this website, first, I will show you some important information about this earning website. As I scroll down, here, you can see the rating of this website. Look at this section. The rating of this website is 4.0. I am sharing real earning website with you. If you work here 100% you will earn money from this website. Here, you can see how many viewers have given their reviews to this website. It's round about 50,017. So many people have put their positive reviews on this website. You can see here. The trust level of this website is very high. No need to be worried. You can do work on this website and earn online money. As I scroll down, you can see here how many people are working on this website and how much money this website has spent on their members in the last year. Look at this section. Community with over 240,000 active members from all over the United States of America. So many people are working on this website from the United States of America and from different countries. If you look at this section, here, you will find how many people have completed their work and earned money online last year. If you look at the third section, you will find total value awarded to the members last year over $860,000. It's a big amount which have been earned by the active members only in the last year. So many people are making money from this website. If you make your account on this website, you can also earn money online from this website and can meet your financial needs. Now, I will show you in which countries this website is working. There are so many countries in which this website is working. If I click on this section, you can see how many countries are included in this website. How many people from different countries are working on this website? You can see in Europe, people from these countries are working on this website. If I scroll down, from North America, people from United States of America and Canada are working on this website and earning money. From Latin America and the Caribbean, people of these countries are working on this website. From Middle East and North Africa, from different countries, people are working on this website and earning online money and meeting their financial needs. At the end, you can see from Asia, so many countries are working on this website. People from Australia, Malaysia, New Zealand, Philippines, India and other countries. Now I will tell you How you will have to work at this website and earn money online. It's very simple method to earn money from this website. Just you will have to share your views and you can earn money online. On sharing your views, you will be given your rewards. Without wasting your time, I will tell you how you can create your account at this website. First of all, you will have to enter your email address here in the first box. In this second box, you will have to create your strong password. Include capital letter, one lowercase letter, one special character and one number. In this section, you will have to enter your first name. In this section, you will have to put your last name. Here, you will have to select your gender, either you are female or male or any other gender. This is the section of date of birth. You will have to select here your date of birth in month and year properly. Make sure you have checked this box. It should not be empty. Now you will have to click on the sign up button. After clicking on the sign up button, you will get an email. You will have to verify your email. If you are using your email in your mobile phone, then you will have open your mobile phone and verify your email address. By clicking on the confirm button, your email will be verified. If you are using your email in your PC, then you will get notification on PC. You can verify that from PC. After confirm your email, your account will be successfully created on this website. Due to the privacy of this website and YouTube policy, I cannot tell you further procedure. After creating your account, you can log in with your email address at this website, and if you follow the instruction and start your work, 100% sure you will start earning money from this website. And sorry for the next procedure that I could not show you practically due to YouTube privacy policy and because of that website privacy policy. Thanks for watching my video.